Hey guys, here's a great lower body exercise, perfect for mixed martial artists. What do I mean? Let me show you. Well, when you're striking, you're on your feet. What happens? You're light, you're on your toes with bent knees. Now, many people, they lean forward, they fall over, they're scared, they're excited, they're here and here. What happens when you're here? All that weight is on this front leg, primarily this front quad, and definitely moving over the toe. Unfortunately, when you're forward, you're stuck. What does that mean? You're here, I can't move as well in all directions. So instead of being here, boom, we want to be here. We want to be back on the calf, on the hamstring, on the glute, on the quad. We want to be on the spring back here. So now in this position, boom, I'm pulled back, I'm loaded. I can move forward, I can move backwards, I can move my body, I can shift laterally. When I'm here, I can't move forward. I can kind of move backwards. It's awkward. I have to step and move my body in order to replan if I want to be aggressive. So how do we train that? Number one is bang. We want to sit here in this back position, which keeps us out of line. Also, where I can stay back here, boom, throw a punch and pull right back where I'm loaded again. So I'm here, boom, jab moving forward. I pull back and bang, I'm loaded. Or boom, I'm loaded.